The winter is on its way, although there is a slightly nip in the morning and evening air. The winter is yet to settle in. Winter is the season where many migratory and rare birds visit Kolkata. This video is about one such rare bird. It's square-tailed drongo cuckoo. This bird is rarely seen in South Bengal. Even in North Bengal and East India, this is not so common bird, and getting it in the heart of a metro city is nothing but a miracle. On hearing the news that this particular rare bird has visited Rabindra Sarovar in Kolkata, we decided to visit to try our luck if we could get a sightseeing. So on 2nd November 2024, Explore Life with Shutapa team went to Rabindra Sarovar. We reached around 7:30 in the morning. The first thing that we did after reaching Rabindra Sarovar is we had our breakfast as we were really hungry as we have started early in the morning. There is a idli wala just outside the Lion Safari gate. The breakfast was very tasty, and after having that we entered the Lion Safari gate. This is the Lion Safari gate and this is the entry. After entering, we took the right turn. As you can see, there is a right turn. After entering Rabindra Sarovar, this is the Lion Safari Park gate on the right that I have shown you. And after that, take the left turn, and this path is known as the Omkar path. We checked the Laughing Club area for some time where we saw a Syrenaeus teat having its breakfast. The Syrenaeus teat is a species of bird in the teat family. These birds are seen in pairs or small groups. They feed on insects and also on birds and fruits. There were also some purple sunbird couple enjoying nectar. After watching that, we went ahead on the Omkar path. There is a turn which takes right, and that is known as the flycatcher zone. So we checked there and found one orange-headed thrush. The orange-headed thrush are winter migrants to Kolkata. They are brightly colored ground-dwelling thrush. You can find them hopping around foraging in the leaf litter in the forested areas. While I was shooting this, something moved in the dark branches. On closer look, it was a rufous woodpecker. They are medium-sized brownish woodpecker with a dark short bill. They forage throughout levels of forest. I was able to catch just a glimpse before it went into the dark. We further went ahead on the main habitat area. This is an area opposite to the cricket club, and it is left to grow wild, and it's home to many common resident birds as well as migratory birds. We kept on searching, but there was no sign of the square-tailed drongo cuckoo. After waiting for some time, we again went to the front gate and then completed the whole circle in search of the square-tailed drongo cuckoo. Where is the bird? Then we saw it. It was near a large tree near the main habitat and the cricket ground. Some birders were already shooting it while we reached the place, and we shoot the bird to our heart's content. The square-tailed drongo cuckoo is a small, slim, black cuckoo which is almost similar to black drongo, but is smaller with a curved bill. Adults are black with white bars in the undertail. While we were shooting this bird, the bell rang. It was time for the Lion Safari Park to close. Just before going out of Rabindra Sarovar, we spotted an Indian golden oriole. The males are bright yellow, the black stripe through the eye gives a masked appearance, and they have pink bill. The female is dull greenish yellow overall, and they are mostly found feeding in the tree canopies. The birders in Kolkata visit this park almost on a regular basis. So if you are planning to visit this park, do come one day and enjoy bird watching. There is a group in Facebook known as Biodiversity of Rabindra Sarovar. You can join the group to find out what are the sightings that are happening in this park. Because veteran birders visit this park on a regular basis and regular uncommon sightings almost happen. Happy to get the rare bird, we returned home. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also click on the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So till the next video, next bird exploration or next any other exploration and adventure, you all stay healthy, stay happy and bye for now.